Different forms of CBD and different uses. In this video, I'm going to cover the different forms and I'm going to show you them and explain how they're used. Before we start, for any of the people that just started using CBD or plan to, I want to make sure that they know the following things. 1. All the benefits of CBD might not be shown for some time. Some take 30, 60, even 90 days to show the full potential. 2. It's really important to know how many milligrams you need to take per day for those 30 days to see these results. Usually, it's at least 30 milligrams and higher. All the benefits of CBD might not show until it's in your system for a while. Take a look at this oil tincture. It's 300 milligrams and a perfect example for this exercise. Each one of these oil tinctures has a dropper. Each one of those droppers are 10 milligrams. So if you took this tincture for 30 days straight, 10 milligrams each wasn't enough for you. Do the same thing with a 750 milligram bottle, and you should see the results that you were expecting. 33 milligrams per day is where you need to be. That's why these different forms of CBD products come in handy, like a gummy. You've only taken 10 milligrams in the morning. Now you need more. You substitute it with a gummy. If not, it's time to change cannabinoids. Go from a CBD Isolate to a full spec, from a full spec up to a Delta 8. Get me? All right, now that you got how the doses work, let's talk forms. Taking CBD oil through your mouth is a great way to take CBD. You put it in your mouth, under your tongue for about 30 seconds, and then you swallow. There are a range of options. There's flavored or flavorless. Most people use flavorless if they're mixing it with products. Some people can't just take the oil in their mouth. They use it in their protein shakes, their juicers. I use them on a salad. Put the salad, drizzle my oil on it, and then I put my CBD oil or Delta 8 oil, which is flavorless, of course, and then just drizzle a little lemon, and bingo, it works perfect every time. But some people don't like oils. They get all over the place, they're oily, or they're just not into flavored or flavorless. They want to have some fun. Second option, gummies. They're amazing. They're tasty. They come in so many different shapes, forms, and flavors, and they're even available without gelatin in vegan-friendly flavors. They come in different cannabinoids, and they make it easy and fun to ingest the CBD. Here's another one. Pre-rolls, moon blunts, bud, actual flower bud. That's right. They have CBD indoor grown just like they have THC. Here's another one. In the beauty category, you have bath bombs, you have topicals. One of my favorites and easiest ways you could apply these topicals multiple times a day to the affected area and see fast and quick results. Okay, people, if you're not opposed to vaping, there is a massive broad range of terpenes that are available. Available in indica, hybrid, and brain fart. Available in indica, hybrid, and sativa. Summary. Number 1, acknowledge the minimum dose per day and that time factor. It does take time to see and reach all those potentials. Number 2, make sure when you take CBD, you're not taking too much or too little. Too much is gonna make you tired. Too little isn't gonna do a thing. But just that right amount will turn out to being a beautiful day. If you liked content like this, make sure to smash that subscribe. I can't even talk. Remember to make, holy fuck. If you like this type of content, make sure to smash that subscribe button, hit that bell button so you don't miss my next video.